Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Lexus GX 460. We're going to start right away up front where you have the front parking sensors. Those keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Your second row seats are heated seats. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There is plenty of storage room here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are all mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. You have dual climate controls as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Lexus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.